1998 Plymouth Breeze 2.4 liter. I'm changing the thermostat. The antifreeze is right to the top, so I'm going to have to take my turkey baster and take out a little bit of antifreeze. Because when I disconnect this, it's just going to drain all over the place. I don't want to take too much out because it'll create an airlock. And underneath here, there is not a tap to bleed it. So I'm going to figure the only way to get rid of an airlock here is to open up a hose up. Because usually there's a tap underneath that you can, get rid of the airlock that way. Bleed it a little bit. See the thermostat in there? Yeah, it should be enough fluid. Take it out now. I'm going to unclamp the upper rad hose. Disconnect the hose that's going to the reservoir. Side of it here. Yeah, if I bent this down, I could drain a little bit more out of the rad. If there's too much there. But I'm going to bolt it and see how much is coming out now. Because I'm sure the tap on the rad is probably seized for sure. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of antifreeze. So I'm going to drain a little bit out with this. Get a cup and just bend it downwards. So I'm just draining a little bit more out of the block right now. Just enough that when I pull the thermostat housing, it just doesn't go all over. Yeah, I got about 2 of these. And then I'll pull the thermostat out and we'll see how much, how low it is in the block. And the thermostat is offset. I'll show you that. Oh, my hands are full of antifreeze now. And I'm touching the camera. Okay. Okay, you see the thermostat position. It's pointed this way. So it's not actually in the middle. It's towards the back of the engine like that. I'll take a picture of that. Yeah, I'll pull the thermostat out. See, there's enough antifreeze gone now. What I'm going to do is I'll pour some back in here. That's what I'll do. Just to get it right level. And then that way it shouldn't need bleeding. The last time the thermostat was changed, they put caulking here. But with this rubber gasket, you don't need caulking. But, you know, I guess to be safe, they put it on. So I'm just going to get a razor blade and clean that up. Here's the new thermostat. And it can only fit in one way, because there's a notch there. Just like that. Got it in there, and I'm just going to hold it a little bit and then put it into place, because it'll fall out. The rubber around the thermostat will compress. See, this rubber compresses and then seals it. So I'm just tightening them down, snugging them down, so it compresses evenly. See how it compresses there? Makes it nice and flush. Okay, I'm going to give it the last little bit of tight. Now I'm just going to add some antifreeze. I decided to pull the car out of the garage. It's a nice day. Since it's a winter thermostat, 192 Fahrenheit, I'm going to let it get to halfway, and I'll check and make sure that the cooling fans come on also. But there's no leaks there. Just have to wait until it gets half. Just waiting for the engine to warm up. But I noticed something here on the hose. It's rubbing against the alternator right here. So I got to put a protector on there so it doesn't make a hole in the upper rad hose. See right there, you can see it just a little bit mark on the alternator. It's rubbing. See how close it is? So I'll just put a protector there.